Starting your strength training journey? One of the most common questions is, how much weight should I be lifting? Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps to help you build strength safely and effectively. Master bodyweight exercises first. Before jumping into weights, master bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges. Proper form is key. Perfecting these movements builds a strong foundation and reduces injury risks. Transition to barbell movements. When you're ready, transition to barbell training by practicing with a PVC pipe or broomstick. This helps you learn proper movement patterns without the pressure of heavy weights. Start light and build gradually. Begin with an empty barbell, which typically weighs 45 pounds. Add small increments of weight until you find a level that challenges you while allowing for proper form throughout your sets. Use progressive overload. Progressive overload is the key to building strength. If you can complete all sets with proper form, increase your weight by 2.5 to 5 pounds to keep challenging your muscles. Understand 1 rep max, 1 RM. Your 1 representative max is the maximum weight you can lift for 1 rep. While advanced lifters use this to track strength, beginners should focus on consistency and proper technique. Stay consistent and track progress. Strength training success comes from consistency and gradual improvement. Keep a log of your exercises, weights, and reps to monitor your progress over time. Strength training is a personal journey, and finding the right weight takes patience. Focus on proper form, progress gradually, and celebrate your wins along the way.